Hello guys, you're watching Time Trade, a channel focused on smart and responsible trading. In this video, I'm showing how I use a neural network to analyze the market and make confident trading decisions based on clear logic, not emotions. By the way, you can test this trading tool without registration for free. To do this, follow the link in the description to the trading bot interface. Click the menu and select the Start command. After that, in a new window, click the Test Signals button. You will have a unique opportunity to try this neural network and then take it for free and forever under the terms of the promotion. Details in this video. I also want to add that my new free training course will be released soon. Join my team in Telegram to get access to cool training on working in the market. If you want to develop in trading using modern technologies, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell to always be in the know. So, I'm starting my short trading session. I'm going to select a currency pair from the list in the trading bot interface for my first trade. Let's take the Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Now, I go to Broker Pocket option, and in advance in the search bar, I will set this currency pair. The expiration time in the first trade will be 5 minutes. I will invest $1,900 according to the main rule of money management. To receive a signal, I return to the trading bot interface and press the expiration time button. After analysis, I see that the neural network predicts an upward price movement. Well, I go to the Pocket Option Broker, carefully look at the chart, and assess the situation on the market. Okay, I press the green button and watch the progress of this trade. Friends, to trade responsibly and use the help of the neural network, you can take advantage of the terms of the promotion. You can try the bot without registration using test signals. Now, using the link in the description, you can go to the bot interface and use its instructions to pick up the tool for free. I draw your attention to the fact that the neural network will remain with you forever with full functionality. An unlimited number of signals are given every day, and in the future you will not need to pay any fees for its use. The passability of the trading bot is up to 85%. But for responsible trading, always use your trading logic because the final decision always remains with the person. In this video, I show how the neural network only helps make decisions. I do not conduct financial consultations and do not give recommendations. Here you see only practice based on my experience of using a neural network for trading. If you want to really understand trading on the currency pairs market, I invite you to free training from the Time Trade team. After my training course, you will have the ability to see the market structure, recognize key support and resistance levels, and make logical, informed decisions based on analysis, not intuition. I will show you how to learn to read a chart from scratch, understand why the price moves this way and not another, and how to build your own trading system based on real patterns, not other people's guesses. This training is suitable for those who want to not just copy signals, but develop as a trader, understand the market, and act confidently. If you have long wanted to start but did not know where to start, or tried but did not succeed, now is a great time. Follow the link in the description and write me a private message. I will answer and help you start your path in trading consciously and with an understanding of the essence of the market. Now on the Trading View terminal, I will conduct a technical analysis and show what logic is present in this trade. Let's find the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen in the search bar. Let's take a closer look at the chart. Now I will mark the key support area and the resistance area. As you can see in the past, the price moved down from the resistance area and reached the minimum. After that, I see the price rebound upwards. Buyers' activity is starting to increase. This is indicated by these areas of rising lows from which the price is pushing upwards. I also see the presence of buyer volumes on the histogram. So I conclude that the price will continue to move up. I think that the free neural network made the right forecast. AI takes into account data from 12 indicators in real time. Smart trading today is no longer just about memorizing patterns or reacting to sudden price movements. It's about combining the trader's own logic with the power of modern artificial intelligence. This synergy opens up new possibilities for those who want to make deliberate, informed decisions in the currency pairs market. A neural network doesn't guess or act impulsively. It analyzes large volumes of data, detects patterns invisible to the human eye, and provides signals based on pure statistics. When a trader uses this type of AI as a tool, it becomes much easier to spot clear entry points, avoid emotional decisions, and act in sync with real market behavior. Of course, the trader remains the key figure in the entire process. Even with the most precise bot at hand, the ultimate decision-making responsibility lies with the human. It's the trader who decides when to enter the market, drawing not only on indicator signals, but also on personal experience and a solid approach to managing risk. That's why one of the golden principles of careful trading should never be ignored. Don't allocate more than 3% of your total capital to a single trade. This simple guideline acts as a safeguard, preventing deep losses and helping maintain psychological balance during volatile times. A bot in trading plays the role of an efficient assistant, not a replacement, but a strong enhancement of the trader's capabilities. It handles the routine yet critical tasks, analyzing market data, crunching numbers, and spotting high-probability signals. This frees the trader to concentrate on the bigger picture, formulating strategies, assessing potential risks, and making well-thought-out choices. What's especially valuable is that the trading bot we're using right now is available completely free through the link in the description. It's being offered as part of a special promo and, once activated, stays with you permanently, with no subscriptions, hidden payments, or time limits. This opens a real opportunity for both novice traders and seasoned professionals to explore how artificial intelligence can enhance their trading practices. It enables them to gradually build a system where personal insights and cutting-edge automation work together in harmony. In the end, effective trading isn't about being fast or reckless. It's about structure, logic, and steady improvement. And when a neural network supports your efforts, this path becomes significantly clearer and more accessible to anyone striving to achieve consistent success. Well, the first trade is over. The signal from artificial intelligence and my trading logic brought me profit. Excellent. I will continue my trading session. Let's set the expiration time to 1 minute. I will increase the investment amount to $2,000 and change the currency pair. Let's choose, for example, the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Now we return to the trading bot interface and click the currency pair button and expiration time. Artificial intelligence prepares a forecast, and after analysis, I record a signal for an increase in price. According to the neural network, the trend will go up. Well, let's look at the chart and make our trading decision. I click the green button to buy. Friends, let me also emphasize how crucial discipline and having a clear strategy are when it comes to trading. A well-thought-out trading strategy is the backbone of stable and deliberate trading decisions. It helps you stay on track, avoid acting on emotion, and stick to a defined set of rules, especially when the market takes unpredictable turns. Without this kind of structure, many beginners get caught up in chasing quick wins and often end up making costly mistakes. That's exactly why it's so important to begin your trading journey with a clear and organized approach. I remind you that I have a new cool course on trading. You'll find a link to it in the description. In this training, I walk you through the process of creating a personal trading system, show how to handle risk properly, and explain which tools can streamline your work. The course is 100% free. All I ask is a like on this video and a subscription to the channel to support this initiative. If you're interested in the training, just send me a private message. The link is also in the description. And don't forget, you can access the trading bot right now through the link below. By the way, our second trade just closed successfully. Once again, this shows that with the right analytical tool and a thoughtful approach, even a beginner can achieve great results. Just remember, the key is to trade wisely and stay in control at every step. You're watching Time Trade. Take care and see you soon.